Welcome, LinkedIn enthusiasts. Are you tired of missing out on connection opportunities because your pending invitations are hiding somewhere on the platform? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated and super easy process of finding those precious received invitations on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in. Okay, so first things first, grab your phone and open up the LinkedIn app. Make sure you're logged in and ready to connect. Now look down at the bottom of your screen. See that little cluster of icons? You're going to want to tap on the one that says My Network. It's usually the second icon from the left and looks like two little people connected. Give that a tap. This is your hub for all things connections related on LinkedIn. All right, you're almost there. At the top of the My Network screen, you'll see a few options. Look for the word Grow located below Manage My Network. Tap on it to expand a new set of options. As soon as you tap on Grow, you'll see the invitations option appear right below it. Go ahead and click it. This is where the magic happens. Finally, at the top of your screen, you should see two options: Sent and Received. By default, LinkedIn usually shows you the Sent invitations, which are the ones you've sent out to other people. To see who's been trying to connect with you, tap on Received. And there you have it, a list of all the pending invitations people have sent your way. Now you can quickly review them, accept the ones that make sense for your network, or politely decline if it's not the right fit. Building a strong network is essential for growth and opportunities on LinkedIn, so make sure you stay on top of your invitations. That's all there is to it. Finding your received invitations on LinkedIn is now easier than ever. Keep an eye on those invitations, nurture your connections, and watch your professional network flourish. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more LinkedIn tips and tricks. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Happy networking!